This is Priscilla Hawks. I'm the founder of Hawks Law Group PC. Thank you so much for coming to visit me on today. I want to talk a little bit about common clauses that you will find in music industry agreements. We've done a couple of videos so far. So this particular video, I want to talk a bit about label costs. I have my phone because I'm going to go through not an exclusive list, but just a couple of things for you to be aware of. So in your contract, you'll probably see a section that talks about label costs, and it's important because the way that you get paid, depending on your contract, it might be a profit sharing situation, it might be some other situation where for every sale that's made, you're going to get X percentage. The language can vary, but the idea is for you to get money, so you are going to get money in some way, shape, or form. But that money is going to always take into account what the label had to put out. So to the extent the label had to do all of these things, and now maybe you had a very successful project, but now circle back to the label and you look at all the money that they put out, so all of what would have been your money went to them first so that they can recoup. There may not be much left over for you, and that's just a reality when you decide to go the label route. So I want to read a couple of things. Again, this isn't an exclusive list, but just to kind of, the purpose of these videos is a lot of times people get these agreements. So I want you to quickly be able to hear something that I say and then look at your agreement and say, oh, okay, she's talking about this section. And then that'll prompt you to either ask an additional question that maybe you haven't asked your lawyer, or it'll prompt you to go seek help if you haven't already done so. So label costs are defined as all reasonable and necessary costs in connection with the use and exploitation and promotion of the masters, included but not limited to. Again, it can be so much. I've literally seen list upon list upon list. So I'm just going to go through a few again for the purposes I've already stated, but this isn't an exhaustive list. But we're talking manufacturing costs, promotion and marketing costs, artwork, design, packaging costs, digital encoding, and other necessary costs relating to digital exploitation. We're talking about remix fees and editing costs, video production, promotion costs, mechanical royalties, any taxes, deductions, or duties incurred from the exploitation of the master recordings. Name of the record label shall not recoup any so-called overhead of office related costs from the income relating to the master recordings. So that's just a snapshot of what that clause can look like in your music industry. Yes, Snowly Poly. Should I keep this video just for fun? We'll call this a bloopers video, but hopefully you receive some value. This is my son. I've been trying to hide him for the past several videos, but this is why I'm going to, since the video's already been interrupted, I'm going to do a whole segment on working mommies, because this is what you have to go to. He is in school, but not today because I've been sick this week. So when I'm out, he had to be out just for a couple of different reasons. But in any case, that did happen, but I hope you received tremendous value from the part that you got prior to our cute interruption. I want to thank you so much. This is Priscilla Hawks coming to you in a New York Minute. Take care.